Everybody, it's the Mobile Home Mama, Brittany and I. There's Brittany. We're out here on a field trip at Decatur, Indiana. This is one of our factories that's about an hour and a half away from Topeka, and we came here today to view some of the automated processes that we do here. This is also known as our R&D plant, or our research and development. So all the cool things happen here that we're working on for the future. It's kind of windy, so I'll get inside. This is a 16 by 66. We call this home the Seyberts or Seyberts. We've got a pier saver under the door, and what's the purpose of a pier saver? Well, it eliminates the need to add piers underneath your door. However, I recommend you still add those concrete piers. Also, over the years, 20, 30 years down the road, it's going to keep your door from sagging, because depending on the foundation you're on, you'll have to have that home re-leveled every 5 years or so if you're just on some piers, or if you're on gravel for sure. All right, coming into the Seyberts, 3-bed, 2-bath, split floor plan. So we've got a bedroom there, 2 bedrooms on the other end, and this is our prime 16 by 66, about 1,000 square feet. Now, what we did at the beginning of last year, we created a home series that we could make affordable for everybody. We copied the floor plan and made it in many different sizes. So if you're enjoying this floor plan, this is definitely something we can get in a 76 and even a 14 by 56, many, many, many different sizes, and they all are laid out the same. So in this kitchen, nice big cabinets, and that's one of the things that we do over here in Decatur. We have an automated, semi-automated process where we're going to build your cabinets, and part of the process is with robots. So we still do have employees, but they just kind of help move the process right along. So in this kitchen, we're going to have a pantry right here, refrigerator, and an extra large cabinet here with your bank of drawers. Then you're going to have your sink in the island. Dishwasher is an option. So is the microwave over the range. I highly recommend we do the microwave over the range for sure. And then you're going to have some more storage here in the island. Wide open to the living area. Heading down the hallway, we're going to come right up onto the utility room. Let me see if I can get some light in here. Into the utility room, and back here we'll find the electrical box, water heater, and this is one of the options I highly recommend. This is a furnace door. So if you can imagine what this is going to look like if you don't put this furnace door on, it's going to be wide open. You want to make sure that that's one of the options you choose. Some people don't mind, but aesthetically, I think it's got to be there. All right. Main water shut off on the inside of the home, so you don't have to worry about climbing underneath the home to shut your water off if there's an issue. And then coming into the primary bedroom, nice spacious bedroom. This is, remember, about 1,000 square feet. So this bedroom size is really, really good. New walls for this year have a gray tone to them. Natural oak on the floor. And right coming off of the primary bedroom is going to be the primary bath. Your closet's going to be right inside that bathroom with an extra large vanity. And then a walk-in shower is going to be in that prime package. That's something we're going to have you put in the home. In that prime package, there's many things, but black knobs, real porcelain sinks, real metal faucets, the Mobile Home Mama. And ice damming is really the most important thing in that package. This is a reverse aisle, so we're going to have doors on both sides. Here's door number 1, down here's door number 2. Heading back to the other end of the home, we'll have bedrooms 2 and 3. Let's take a look at the closet. If you're looking for a nice basic home that's easy on the wallet, the Prime Home Series is it. 2x6 standard, 200 amp electrical standard, extra large vanities, lots of great features to this home. Bedroom number 3. And here's the closet. All right. I'd love to see you this summer. Give me a call, 260-383-1009. I'll bring you to Topeka, put you in a really nice hotel. We'll do a factory tour, walk through some models, maybe grab some lunch, and educate you and fill you full of information on how this process works. There you go. This is the 16 by 66 Seyberts, and I hope to see you all soon. Thanks for watching.